Here's an update on the One Piece database project. I know it's been a while, but let's get into it. So in my last video, I was talking about how I'm using paddle OCR for text extraction. So this paddle OCR turned out to be way more accurate and able to extract way more text than OpenCV. So once I used paddle OCR, it gave me results like this, and you can see the bounding boxes and what text it is interpreting. So my only issue is from what text we're getting back, it was completely out of order. So basically what I had to figure out is how to order the text based on the bounding box. So what I came up with is that for a group of text, they basically share the same center line. So the solution I came up with is using some kind of grouping or clustering algorithm. So my first step was creating this class rectangle, setting the boundaries as well as the center. My next step was using this grouping algorithm, and basically it's checking what boxes have a similar center within like 7 pixel values. And once that grouping algorithm is done, it returns a dictionary of the groupings. So the next issue I had is that even though this grouping was correct, the words within it were still out of order. So then I sorted by Y value. This way the rectangles would be stacked exactly properly like how they are in the text boxes. So now with the final result, you can see the effect of the grouping. So you can see that this text box is exactly correct. Whereas previously without the grouping, it's literally in just like random order. Now that these sentences are in correct order and things like this, I can actually throw them into a database and potentially create a knowledge graph next. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for this project and follow for more.